Over to Malay. Now I request Dr. Chitra ma'am, Professor in Institute of Community Medicine, Madras Medical College, to deliver the welcome address.
Good afternoon and a warm welcome to one and all gathered here. Memories are still fresh. I still remember the days when we were awarded the conduct of the IAPSM conference 2020. So I still remember the days we started planning, and with a very happy and proud note, I rendered this welcome address on behalf of team ICM. I extend a warm welcome to Dr. Sunila Garg, President-elect, Dr. A.M. Kadri, Vice President, IAPSM, Dr. Pradeep Kumar, Chief Editor, IJCM, Dr. Chandresh Pandya, Joint Secretary, Dr. Selva Vinayagam, the Organizing Chairperson, Dr. Anil Purthy, Organizing Co-Chairperson, Dr. Priya Sendil Kumar, Organizing Secretary, Dr. Timsi Jain, Organizing Co-Secretary, Dr. Suresh Balan, President of the Tamil Nadu Chapter of IAPSM, and Dr. Anayappan, Secretary, Tamil Nadu State IAPSM, and all the dignitaries who have gathered here for the valedictory function, and my dear PGs and the students. Thank you.
Now I request Dr. Priya Sendil Kumar ma'am, Professor Institute of Community Medicine, to felicitate Dr. Sunila Garg, President-elect of National IAPSM. Now I request Dr. Selva Vinayagam sir. Now I request Dr. Priya Sendil Kumar ma'am to felicitate Dr. Anil Purthy sir. Now I request Dr. Priya ma'am to felicitate Dr. Timsi Jain ma'am. Now I request Dr. Anil Purthy sir to felicitate Dr. Suresh Balan sir. I request Dr. Anil Purthy sir to felicitate Dr. Anayappan sir. Now I request Dr. Timsi Jain ma'am to felicitate Dr. Priya Sendil Kumar ma'am. Now I request Dr. Sunila Garg ma'am to address the gathering.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, Honorable Secretary General Dr. Kadri, Dr. Pradeep Kumar, Chief Editor, IJCM, Dr. Suresh Balan, President Tamil Nadu Indian Association of Preventive and Social Medicine, Dr. Anayakam, Secretary General, Tamil Nadu State IAPSM, Dr. Silva Vinayagam, Organizing Chairperson. Let's give him a big hand for organizing this meeting. Dr. Anil Purti, Organizing Co-Chairperson. He also deserves a big clap. And Dr. Priya, just now we listened to a session on gender, so she deserves a special clap for being a very, very special organizing secretary. Dr. Timsi Jain, organizing co-secretary, and all the other members, dignitaries on the dais. It has been a real cherishing moment for me, especially now as a president, number one. Number two, I have been there for all 3 days watching all the activities, and we have gone through, right from the systems approach to all the activities which are priority of our nation. So that is where I'll say that it has been an academic feast for all of us, and there has been, no part which I'll say that has been untouched in this Congress. And this is what I'll say, that we need to carry on this kind of conferences, and we need to be motivated enough to keep the interests of the gathering also involved. So, and I'm sure the proceedings of these conferences are going to be published very soon, and each one of you is going to cherish the moment. With this, I'll say best of luck to all of you who have presented the papers, and some of you are going to win the awards as well. And right now I have to say that best of luck and safe journey, and enjoy the rest of the year in all the academic activities. You cherish them and you learn more and more. And today is the time of competency-based curriculum, and we need to strengthen our competencies as community-based persons. Thank you very much.
Now I request Dr. A.M. Kadri sir, Secretary General IAPSM, to deliver the gathering.
Dignitaries on the dais, I won't name everybody so that at least it can cut short the time. And and many seniors, colleagues and friends of the dais also. At the outset, our message from the President IAPSM, Dr. Sanjay Jodhpe, because of his personal social commitment, he has to today leave. Today morning, he could not be the part of this valedictory function, but definitely he has conveyed his gratitudes and congratulations to the organizing committee. Fortunately, we are having the IAPSM elect president for the 2011 and 21 and 22. So in his place, we are having another dynamic leader, representation from the IAPSM. At the outset, again, a big round of applause to entire organizing team for this entire district. We know that organizing the national conference is a really Herculean task, where you are having more than 1,200 participant delegates across the India with number of the expectations and diverse opinions and diverse needs, and catering their needs is definitely really a challenge. At the same time, in the field situation, when you have to organizing the entire things, when you are managing one thing at the same time, some 10 things are definitely going on the wrong sides. So the firefighting also, it requires really challenge. So definitely many of the times we are finding it may not be a perfect conference, but definitely really it is a wonderful conference, and the efforts put in by the team is really appreciated. So we congratulate to entire team for such a wonderful conference. People have praised many things like scientific session, which is I think chosen, the plenary sessions and the are chosen are really, really very different, diverse topics and experts across the India and various topics. Really, it is wonderful thoughts put in you for that scientific session. Not only the scientific session are the wonderful, at the same time venue is, people have appreciated about the venue and the food. These two things are also very much appreciated by the, so really a thumbs up for these two other good quality of the conferences. So wonderful, and definitely some because of the having the conference in the outside of the institutes, many challenges they are facing, but they have managed it nicely. So I congratulate again on the behalf of the IAPSM for their successful attempts. At the same time, I would also like to thank on the behalf of the IAPSM for making this conference successful. Because when we started and we are talking with, we are having the something that we are conferences in the Chennai, and that too 50-60 kilometers away from the Chennai, whether the participants will join or not. But when the things are moving, and we have seen that more than 1,200 participants registered. So really it is without your participation and you and all of the participants, it could have not been successful. So really, all the participants is deserving the big thanks and gratitude from the IAPSM. At the same time, who are the speakers and the young researchers and young researchers who have made the presentations in as oral papers and the poster, they also deserve a special acknowledgement from the IAPSM. And thank you for participating and making it really successful by sharing your research work and your wisdom here also. Thank you very much. At the outset also, at the same time, I would like to thank team at the IAPSM head office. Especially I will request Dr. Manish Rana. Please. Alpesh, Manish and Dr. Chandresh Bhai. They are the really backbone. They are constantly, in fact, most of the things over the period of time I would use my seniority and delegated my burden to them, and they are doing it. They are without any objections, not objections they have carried out. Thank you very much. Besides that, definitely, team is not a small, these are the head office team, but besides that, I have been supported by the other teams like Dr. Manish, who is looking after health education, and Dr. Amir. Manish, you can also customer. Dr. Amir. And many more are there, in fact not present, they have supported many things. And second thing is that I have been guided by our definitely President, Senior Dr. Pradeep Kumar sir. He is always, since many years I have been guided by it. Besides that, there is the team of Dr. Ashok Bhardwaj sahab and his entire team. I am guided by him, Dr. V.K. Srivastava sir, his team, Dr. Arun Agrawal, many of the Professor Arun Agrawal, he is also constantly supporting and helping us. So whatever a little we could do is definitely as an IAPSM with your active participation and support and guidance from the seniors, experienced people, and the enthusiasm and energy from our junior colleagues. Dr. Bhavesh, yes, sorry, I missed him. Please, sorry, Dr. Bhavesh. He is the RNTCP, and you will be... I forgot it. Dr. Bhavesh and Dr. Rasmi are the things are that Bhavesh has done wonderful thing, and because of his good networking and hard working, the RNTCP now NEP as suggested that we will be having a big project with the NEP. So this will be a really a quantum jump for the IAPSM with the good efforts of the Dr. Bhavesh. So I take this point of a time to take opportunity and express my gratitude. Without your support, I could not have done anything. So once again, thanks for organizing this conference and leaving us with the cherished memory. Thanks, and thanks to everyone.
Now I request Dr. Suresh Balan sir, President IAPSM Tamil Nadu chapter, to address the gathering.
Respected national leaders of IAPSM, the organizing team, the organizing chairperson, Dr. Selvarayam sir, the co-chairperson, Dr. Anil Poothi, the dynamic organizing secretary, Dr. Priya Sendil Kumar, co-secretary, Dr. Timsi Jain, and all the delegates, the national faculties, the postgraduates, and dear friends. It gives me immense pleasure to stand before you on this occasion, wherein the Tamil Nadu State Branch is really honored by your presence today on this 47th annual conference of the National IAPSM, which is being held here at Mamallapuram in a very grand and elegant manner. You have made it a successful one. It's your presence here which has made it a tremendous success. As we all witnessed the various sessions which were conducted in a very beautiful manner, bringing in speakers from national, international levels and covering all aspects of the topic of universal health coverage and addressing and producing solutions to that. And we are very happy, doubly happy today. It's a very small branch, the youngest branch of the national body, which is hardly less than 3 years old, when we started under the leadership of Professor Satya Sekharan sir and Professor Sivapragasham. Today we have been honored by bagging a star award, and the credit goes to the entire team of the Tamil Nadu State Chapter of IAPSM. And I am very happy that when Priya Sendil Kumar took over the responsibility of conducting the conference at the last Shimla, that is the national conference, we gave her the fullest support. The Tamil Nadu State Chapter fully endorsed her view that we should conduct this program at Chennai. And today we are very happy to see the fruits of it. And no doubt Professor Selvaganayagam sir, who is a true leader, born leader, a dynamic personality, who has organized it to this level, was given her full support. And without your support, sir, this would have not been possible. And I also thank the various faculty members of the Institute of Community Medicine who have been working for the past 6 months tirelessly in all the ways to bring this event to a grand and successful manner. Thanks to each and every one of you. Thank you one and all. Thank you.
We now request our State Secretary, Dr. Anepan sir, to address the gathering.
Vanakkam to one and all. Welcome to Tamil Nadu, and hope you had a very pleasant stay in Tamil Nadu and enjoyed the entire event. Everything has been spoken of by the previous speakers, nothing to add. First of all, I would like to place my thanks to the national body for having faith and trust on the state chapter of Tamil Nadu IAPSM to conduct this grand conference in Chennai. The credit goes to two people for bringing this event to Chennai. One is Dr. Timsi Jain, another one is Dr. Priya Sendil Kumar. Please give a big hand. And I would like to place on record here to my sincere appreciations for the entire team of Institute of Community Medicine, Madras Medical College. True to its traditions and its one of the oldest institutions, they have lived up to the expectations. I hope they have lived up to the expectations of the entire audience here. And I also would like to place one or two facts here. One is this conference we designed in a way that we wanted to have it eco-friendly and minimum paper. So I think we have achieved that. The second thing we wanted to do is the ambience should be good and the stay should be good, not in the routine conferences before we had. And I hope everybody had that very good, nice beach relaxation on every day morning. So that will be a cherishing memory for all of you when you go back. And so hope to come back. And that is one of the highlights of this program. And we also thank the entire national teams, our President Sanjay Saurabh sir, our Secretary General Dr. Kadri sir, and our editor sir, Dr. Bhavesh Bhai, our Sanjay Bhai. So all of them are here. So we had a wonderful time with the entire team here. Hope we have done the best thing for the national team. Manish, thank you very much for the wonderful coordination with the state team. And I wish all of the postgraduates, the winners of the competitions, congratulations to them. and hope to see you in future again in Chennai once and give us the opportunity to host this event once again in Chennai in the future. Thank you very much.
Now I request Dr. Anil Puthi sir, organizing co-chairperson, to address the gathering.
Thank you very much. I'll take less than a minute. Thank you all very much for making this happen, the dignitaries on the dais and everybody who worked from behind the scenes. While IAPSM conferences have definitely improved both in quantity and quality over the years, some of us who have life membership of less than 500 number have seen this grow over the past 25 to 30 years. Thank you very much, everyone who's made this happen. As we come to the end of this program, may I once again humbly request each of our esteemed members to kindly support all the initiatives of the respective IAPSM chapters in your respective states. The states are the backbone of the national chapter. Number one, while we have teams working for medical education, Dr. Pankaj, Dr. Amol Dongre, many who are flagship bearers of them, we need to support them. MICN group with Dr. Amir Maroof, the education team with Manish, and of course, something that I always love is the NTEP, which Dr. Bhavesh Modi is leading. Dear friends, there's enough work for all of us to do. There's nothing to quibble about and there's no competition really. Our country is big enough and diversities and with challenges we face, I'm sure each one of us could contribute. We've jumped, we've leaped into the NTEP program with the MOU that our Secretary General just shared. We definitely will be soliciting support from everyone around the country. We're looking at 700, 750 districts to cover in the next 5 years. Something possibly we never even dreamt that we possibly will be able to do. So it won't happen unless IAPSM chapters and each one of you in your respective departments can help us. My 1 minute is over. Thank you.
Let's move on to award ceremony. Now I request National IAPSM Office Bearers, President-elect, Madam, and Secretary General, Joint Secretary and Chief Editor of IJCM to present IAPSM Awards. Award category Vijay Narayan Award. The winner is Dr. Vijay Anand, Postgraduate, Madurai Medical College. Memorial Award. The winner is Dr. Preetham Ghosh, Postgraduate, All India Institute of Hygiene and Public Health, Kolkata. Pyare Lal Sharma Memorial Award. The winner is Dr. KRS Shivapriya, Assistant Professor, Tagore Medical College. Saroja Award. Award. The winner is Dr. J. Jayashree, Postgraduate, Institute of Community Medicine, Madras Medical College. Dr. Pradeep Kumar, Sir, Chief Editor, IJCM, to announce the B.K. Mahajan Award.
Dignitaries sitting on the dais and off the dais, dear friends. You all know B.K. Mahajan Award is given to the best paper published in Indian Journal of Community Medicine during one calendar year. We have made certain changes this year. Apart from giving a certificate, we are also providing then the reimbursement of the registration fee of the conference if they attend, travel expenditure also with some caps if they attend, and also as our article charges, article submission and processing charges, they will also be refunded. So incidentally, this year we had 2 papers who qualified as the best paper, and they both will receive Dr. B.K. Mahajan Award. The first one is by Dr. Farah N. Fatima from St. John Medical College, Bangalore. The second Best Paper Award, B.K. Mahajan Award, is to Dr. Mamta Gehlawat of Jipmer, Pondicherry. Now, generally what happens when we give this B.K. Mahajan Award, certain other papers, they miss the award by just 1 or 2 or 3 marks. So keeping that in mind, we have also started second and third prizes, where they will not get the reimbursement for the travel, but other reimbursement like the registration fee, attending conference, they will get. So there were 3 papers who had, I would say, almost equal marks. So they have been given the second prize. This all has been done in consultation with President and the Secretary General, because it was not possible to consult the actual board. So first one is this by Dr. Beena Thomas, Government Medical College, Kozhikode. Is she there? If anybody from that medical college is there? Kozhikode? Kozhikode. Professor Avinash Hindu Rao Salunke. He is from Krishna Institute of Nursing Sciences. I understand somebody is attending from that Krishna Medical College. Please. Second prize, third one, the second prize is to Dr. Rashmi Sharma of GMRS Medical College, Sola, Ahmedabad. Manish can come and select.
Now we move on to Best Practice Awards. IAPSM Award for Best Practice in the category of Teaching and Training in Community Medicine goes to Dr. S.K. Razania, Director, Professor and Head, Lady Hardinge Medical College, New Delhi. IAPSM Award for the category Best Practices in Community Medicine goes to Dr. Arvind Kasturi, Professor, Department of Community Health, St. John's Medical College, Bangalore.
Thank you all for getting involved in the best practices. There was a huge competition, and thank really Dr. Arvind and Dr. Rasanya for showing us the way, and I'm sure it's going to be bigger and better next year.
Next, let's move to Quiz Competition Awards. The winner is Armed Forces Medical College, Pune. The participants are Dr. Lakshmikant Chowdhury, Dr. Praveen Kumar, Dr. Ayush Kajuria.
Dr. Devesh and the Pankaj Bhardwaj is there, I think. Please, I forgot to mention your name also, but it is your good contribution. Please come on there. In fact, there are so many soldiers that I could not, all of a sudden I could have to make the list. I could not mention your contributions, but for last 3 years, this entire team is carrying out the activities. Thank you.
The runner is from Stanley Medical College, Chennai. The participants are Dr. Deepan Chakravarti, Dr. Shruti, Dr. Meera. Dr. Pradeep Kumar Sir, Chief Editor IJCM, to announce Ford Foundation grants.
Regarding the Ford Foundation Award, IAPSM received one-time grant from the Ford Foundation out of the interest that we are supporting research projects. So this year, 2 projects have been selected for that with certain instructions to them. The first one is by the Soumya V. Is there? Is there? Dr. Soumya? But that's not issue, we'll inform her. And second one is to Dr. Akila GV. Don't have anything to give her. It is just next year we will have more amount at the disposal, so we will be able to cater to more of the research project. That is for the future scientists. Thank you.
Do you recall not long ago when you walked on the sidewalk?
Now I call upon Dr. Manish sir to honor the state coordinators for the undergraduate quiz.
Good afternoon, everyone. We had the World Health Day quiz. For last 3 years, we are having the World Health Day quiz with more than 300 medical colleges participating each year. And these are the certificates for the state coordinators from different states who helped us to achieve these figures. So first of all, I'd like to call Dr. Akshay Minhas. He's the state coordinator for Himachal Pradesh. Please come on to the dais. So the next is Dr. Ruma Datta. She was the state coordinator for Tamil Nadu. So since she is not here, I would request Dr. Anyappam, who is the secretary for Tamil Nadu chapter, to receive the certificate. Dr. Yogita Bavaskar. She is the state coordinator for Maharashtra. Dr. Meetal Rathod. She is the state coordinator for Gujarat. So I request Dr. Disha to collect the certificate on her behalf. Dr. S.K. Rasania sir, he was the state coordinator for Delhi. So sir, please come on to the dais. Dr. Tirumala Rao, he was the state coordinator for Andhra Pradesh. Dr. Tulika Goswami Mahanta, she was the state coordinator for the Northeast Zone. So, Dr. Ananya, if you are here, please collect her certificate. Dr. Renu Bedi, she was the state coordinator for Rajasthan. So, I request Dr. Pankaj Bhardwaj sir to kindly collect her certificate. Dr. Rupesh Sahu, he was the state coordinator for Madhya Pradesh. So I would request Dr. Kamlesh Jain sir to kindly collect his certificate. Dr. Ipsa Mahapatra, she was the state coordinator for Odisha. So Dr. Venkat sir or anybody from Odisha, Dr. Venkat sir, please come on to desk. Dr. Poonam R. Naik, she was the state coordinator for Karnataka. So I request Dr. Kulkarni sir to kindly come on to the dais. Dr. Devaraj R. He was the state coordinator for Kerala. If anyone can collect the certificate on his behalf. Dr. Bhavani Kenche, she was the state coordinator for Telangana. Anybody from Telangana? Okay, so nobody is here.
And finally, our national coordinator, Dr. Manish Kumar Singh.
call upon Dr. Pankaj Bharatwasar, who was the quizmaster, and his team who conducted the postgraduate quiz. Dr. Pankaj Bharatwaj, Dr. Devesh Kumar, Dr. Timsi Jain, Dr. Balaji, Dr. Shivapriya, Dr. Bharat. One small announcement.
Good afternoon, everybody. As we know that State Task Force of Himachal Pradesh on RNTCP conducts a video competition with collaboration IAPSM every year on 24th March. So this year, this video competition is again going to be there, and within 2-3 days we will finalize the details. So this year we have, the last year we have only one prize, that is for only first prize with the 10,000 rupees cash. So this year we have second prize also for 5,000 rupees. So everybody from respective their colleges are requested to circulate the message among the MBBS students that this year also they should participate and do their best for the 24th March. Thank you.
We are proud to announce ICM MMC Awards. Now I request our Director Sir Dr. Selvavinayagam to brief about the ICM MMC Award.
Sorry, no time to brief. I'll simply say that this is in addition to existing awards, what we thought it will institute one more award based on the broad 15 themes which will institute, and we'd like to continue in the coming years also. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. In the sub-theme Nutrition, the winner is Dr. Amir Maroof Khan, Associate Professor, University College of Medical Sciences and GTP Hospital.
Can I have a small modification? You can announce all of them together. Let everyone stand.
Yes.
We'll announce together.
For
Small
health
modification due to time constraints.
Under Health System Strengthening, Dr. Christy Maria Manuel, Postgraduate, St. John's Medical College. Under Quality of Care, Geetanjali, Postgraduate, Madras Medical College in Institute of Community Medicine. Under Mental Health, Aftab Ahmed, Junior Resident, All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Under NCD, Sinduri, Assistant Professor, Dr. Manakula Vinayakar Medical College and Hospital, Puducherry. Under Geriatrics, Dr. Mohan Kumar, Postgraduate, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Raipur. Under Tribal Health and Gender, Dr. Mithun, Second Year Postgraduate, Bangalore Medical College and Research Institute. Under TB and HIV, Dr. Alulmuli, Postgraduate, ICM MMC. Under Occupational Health, Saranya R, Postgraduate, Madras Medical College, ICM. Under Infectious Diseases, Dr. Prema Srivastava, who is a Junior Resident, Banaras Hindu University of Medical Sciences, Varanasi. Under RCH, Dr. A. Mohana, Postgraduate, ICM MMC. Under NCD, Dr. Takul Mayum Shayun Singh, PG student, Sikkim Manipal Institute of Medical Sciences. Under Adolescent Health, Dr. Tejeshwari, Assistant Professor, Hazan Institute of Medical Sciences. Under Health Program and Health Financing, Dr. T.K. Pal, Professor and Head, Department of Community Medicine, Gandhi Medical College, Bhopal. Under Infectious Diseases, Saurabh Mahajan, PG, AFMC Pune. Under Health System Strengthening, Dr. Tamilamudu, Postgraduate, ICM MMC. Under RCH, Dr. Samya, Assistant Professor, Sri Ramachandra Institute of Higher Education and Research, Chennai. Under NCD, Dr. Dinesh Kumar, Junior Resident, Jawaharlal Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research.
Stand just before Radha. See, I request all of you to come stand here with your certificates. Will you issue medal, please?
appreciate the host. The appreciation awards for the individual committees we are calling upon. Appreciation awards. Appreciation awards. So we request all our guests to honor our ICM team who has worked day and night for the grand success of this conference. Now we call upon the organizing committee. இதனை இதனால் இவன் முடிக்கும் என்றாய்ந்து அதனை அவன் கண்விடல், which says an ideal leader will identify the key person who can do the work and leave the job to them. Weekly reviews, timely guidance, step-by-step progress, supporting and helping in carrying out the work of all the teams. Now we call upon the organizing chairperson Dr. T.S. Selvanayagam, organizing co-chairperson Dr. Anil J. Purthy, organizing secretary Dr. Priya Sendilkumar, joint secretary Dr. Timsi Jain ma'am, Dr. V. Damodaran, assistant professor, Dr. S. Sudarshini, please. And our pro graduates Dr. J. Sudas, Dr. Vijay Chandran, Dr. Rajendran and Dr. Anand, please. Dr. Kanchana, Dr. Tamilamudu, Dr. Mohana, Dr. Ratishini and Dr. Sharon Nelson. Virtual reality and creating live web pages, giving the conference a wonderful publicity. It's our creative head, Dr. Kumar Caroline Priya and her husband. We call upon you, sir. Mr. Ignatius Tibutier. No one can deny the live web pages of ICM website. Workshops, 2 at MMC and 3 at Ideal Beach Resorts, around 50 participants in each workshop giving, and that was conducted by our able professor Dr. A. Chitra, Dr. S. M. Balaji, Dr. Sunita, Dr. Sivagami and Mr. Mani Verma. Our postgraduates were Dr. R. Shainupriya, Dr. A. Ansina, Dr. A. P. Saranya, Dr. R. Saranya, Kokila Preeti CL, Dr. Nagarajan and Dr. Hariharanathan, Dr. Jayashree and Dr. Vinod Kumar.
presentations and around 500 poster presentations with 12 award presentations. With more than 65 judges judging, we have the scientific committee headed by Dr. Joy Patricia Pushparani Madam and Dr. R. Uma Maheshwari Madam. With postgraduates Dr. Geetanjali, Dr. Arulmozhi, Dr. Kaushik, Dr. Shobana, Dr. R. Saranya. Plenary sessions involving 70 eminent speakers from various places coordinating with the enrichment of knowledge. We call upon Professor Dr. R. Sendil Kumar and Dr. M. Vijay Kumar for leading the plenary sessions along with the postgraduates Dr. Malayammal, Dr. Kamre Kannan and Dr. Sudha. Though all the other postgraduates are also involved, we have put only those. Go. Accommodating all the delegates from various places in a hassle-free way, making arrangements, shuttling and transporting them around the clock, we, the Transport Committee, led by Dr. C. Samikan sir, Dr. B. Prabhakaran sir, postgraduates, our postgraduates Dr. Manivel, Dr. Manoj Kumar, Dr. Mohanavel and Dr. Manikanda Murthy.
Now thank you. Now I call upon registration committee. There were about around 1,110 registrations from 29 different states and 2 international delegates from Australia. Registration committee was headed by Dr. M. Vijayalakshmi and Dr. P.R. Thirumalai Kumar sir. The postgraduates are Dr. Parameshwari, Dr. Judson Elslin, Dr. Ponniyin Selvan. Thank you. Now I call upon our intern volunteers, Vinisha, Vinita, Vajia Begum, Swati Chenniyappan, Soumya, Sri Harini, Vidyalakshmi, Sriniti Nagin, Shiva Prakash, Shiva Selvan, Sri Raj, Sri Harish, Thirumalai, Tulasi Rajan, Vignesh.
the organizers and coordinators of the Ideal Beach Resort, and by appreciating him, Mr. Sendil and team. Mr. Aravind and Mr. Tony of the event manager team. I think they have not come. So we have the 1 minute short film competition award winner, Dr. Ankita Menona Jacob, Assistant Professor, Department of Community Medicine, KS Hegde Medical Academy, Karnataka. Ma'am, we have name of your registration. We don't want to. Yes, sir.
We are waiving the registration fees for those people who got this 1 minute video award. Registration fees.
And finally, vote of thanks. I request our organizing secretary, Dr. Priya Sendil Kumar, to announce this.
Yeah. Good afternoon, everybody. It's almost evening, and this is one place where you cannot cut short saying thank you, right? But I can still see signs of we are all hungry. Okay. I thank the entire team from the national body, the president-elect, the president, the secretary general, the editor, the joint secretary, and all the other office bearers, and our beloved Anil Purthy sir, who's a representative of all the things. And thank you very much for all the support, not only for this function, but for the entire planning. Thank you very much. I thank the state chapters of Puducherry and Tamil Nadu for their support. I also thank the team from MMC. I would just love to tell each and everyone's name, because there's not one person who has, done anything less. They have given their heart and soul and work day and night. I am not exaggerating a bit. For every department, so I don't want to name all the departments, but they have all done tremendously. I am just representing, and I know I am as somebody said, I am the most unorganized person. So I am the unorganized organizing secretary. So when everything is organized, you understand. Somebody is even, all my team has been doing the whole thing. So there's no point in, I'm just overwhelmed. Thank you very much for doing this wonderfully well. Each and every person of the ICM team, please give them all a big hand. My interns also. And all the staff of Ideal Resort, every department for that matter. There was, absolutely well coordinated effort from Ideal Resort, and thanks Sendil for that. And Tony, event manager, Tony, wherever you are, thank you so much. You made it look very beautiful. Thanks all.
Let's conclude the session with national anthem. I request all to stand for.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
ICM faculties and PGs will reassemble here for 5 minutes after lunch. After lunch.
Yeah.